Welcome to this video. In this video I want to show you how my project setup looks like with the local Azure function and how the overall final web part looks like. So what you see here in the project setup, I basically have two folders. The Vimeo request folder here basically contains the Azure function with a simple search method. And the Vimeo web part actually contains all the code of the web part. So the first thing I do for you is I start my local instance of the Azure function. I have here a shell script that has all the properties that you need to pass into the function host start already set up. And once the Azure function is launched, I can use this URL that's provided here in the Azure Functions and open this Azure function in my browser. It gives me an index, a hint that I should use a query parameter for this, which is Q, and let's say hello world. And what you see here is basically all the search results that hello world provided by Vimeo. In the backend of the Azure function, you see here actually the URL again, where the Azure function started, and you see here that the search has been executed against the third-party API. Another thing is here the web part. I switch now over in the terminal to the web part and start a new instance of the workbench with gulp serve. And we'll take a small look in the source code after I demoed the web part for you. So I can now embed in the workbench my Vimeo web part, and what you see here is just a search box. So I can say here, for example, a search for Chemex. Then this request will be passed through my local Azure function that you see here against the third-party API and returns the following result. And when I click on a video like this, I have here a preview of the video. Simple as that. So when the user decided to use this video, he just simply can say use this video, and this then will be stored to the web part properties. Right now the default value is just video, and when I press here use this video and you open the property again, you see here the URL has been saved to the web part. This is just a display of the web part in edit view, so you can pick one of these videos provided by the search, and when you want to take a preview, you simply click over here to have a preview, and this is actually how the final web part looks like. By default, the Vimeo web part is responsive, so you can, as you see here, as I resize my browser window, it resizes accordingly to the screen resolution that I currently use. And you can play the video. And this is how the final embedded Vimeo video looks like. So this video doesn't have to query the REST API of Vimeo again, because the link to the video is directly stored with the web part. When we take a look at this web part, so this is the basic setup of the web part, and I launch here the Vimeo component, which you see here. And what I also pass into this render method is a property which is called edit mode, that identifies the edit mode in the web part. And when I'm in edit mode here, I return the search function so that you are able to search videos and pick the right video for you. And otherwise, if I'm just in display mode, I just render a regular video player. The video player, on the other hand, is pretty simple. It's just a div with an iframe embedded in here, and the code actually was provided by Vimeo already for this iframe, the HTML that needs to be rendered. Yeah, and that's basically all I have to say about this web part. And it's pretty convenient because I don't have to deploy anything to Azure. I can use everything locally, and I can even write and test my web part locally before I deploy it to my tenant or deploy the Azure function to Azure. Thanks for watching.
We don't wanna sleep tonight, still young like that. I count the lines beside your mouth, it smiles now. My arms reach up as you go down.